Hello students, I am your online teacher Anamika. This is the fifth part of my video on chapter 1 of NCERT 6th standard book. Name of the chapter is Knowing Your Numbers. We are going step by step of our NCERT book, so follow all my videos for complete understanding. Our first topic is using and expanding brackets. Brackets are used to avoid confusion during addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For an arithmetic expression, first evaluate and make a single number in the brackets and then evaluate the outside part. Let's understand this with an example. 3 plus 4 inside the bracket multiplied by 5. So you have to solve the bracket first. 3 plus 4 is 7 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 35. This should not be calculated as 3 plus 4 multiplied by 5 equal to 3 plus 4 multiplied by 5. No, this is wrong. You have to solve the bracket first. Brackets are expanded to evaluate individual digits inside the brackets with the digits outside. Let's see an example for the expansion of brackets. 3 plus 4 inside the bracket multiplied by 5. This can be written as 3 multiplied by 5 plus 4 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 15 plus 20, which is again 35. We will see these topics in more details in my next slides. Let's solve some problems. Write the expressions for each of the following using brackets. First part is 4 multiplied by the sum of 9 and 2. Here the sum is of 9 and 2. So the sum is inside the bracket. 4 multiplied the sum 9 plus 2 inside the bracket. Next part is divide the difference of 18 and 6 by 4. So the difference is 18 and 6. 18 minus 6 is inside the bracket, divided by 4. Next part is 45 divided by 3 times the sum of 3 and 2. 45 divided 3 times. So 3 multiply sum of 3 and 2. So the sum is inside the bracket. 3 plus 2 is inside the bracket. So this slide shows you how to use bracket. Similar example for you. Let's have a look. In my previous slides, we have just seen the use of brackets. Now we will see expanding brackets. Let's take some examples. First example is 7 multiply 109. So 109 can be written as 100 plus 9 inside the bracket. Now we have to expand this bracket. So for that, 7 is multiplied by 100 plus 7 is multiplied by 9. So the outside part is multiplied with both the inside part. 7 into 100 is 700 plus 7 into 9 is 63. So the answer is 763. This way you can find a quick and easy solution. Let's take one more example. 102 multiply 103. Now in a similar way, you can write 100 plus 2 inside the bracket for 102 and 100 plus 3 inside the bracket for 103. Now let's expand these brackets. This can be written as 100 plus 2 multiplied by 100 and plus 100 plus 2 multiplied by 3. Now you can further solve this. 100 into 100 plus 2 into 100 plus 100 into 3 plus 2 into 3. So 100 into 100 is 10,000 plus 200 plus 300 plus 6. So your answer is 10,506. Now comes a very interesting topic, Roman numerals. The number system invented by Romans is called Roman number system or Roman numerals. Here we have a chart. In Roman number system, symbol I is of value 1, V is of value 5, X is of value 10, L is a symbol for 50, C is a symbol for 100, D is a symbol for 500 and M is a symbol for 1000. Now we have to see some rules. Repetition is allowed in which symbols? For I, yes, I can be repeated for 3 times at max. V, no. X, yes, 3 times at max. L, no. C, yes, 3 times at max. D, again no. And M, yes. Now we will see these rules in detail. Rules for writing Roman numerals. Here we have some rules for writing Roman numerals. See, the first rule is, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. Example, here I is written 2 times. So its value is 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. C, C, C. C is written 3 times. Value of C is 100. So 100 plus 100 plus 100, which is equal to 300. So if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. Let's move to second rule. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times, but the symbols V, L and D are never repeated. Okay, V, L and D are never repeated. So XX is correct, but DD is not correct. Third rule, if a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, its value gets added to the value of greater symbol. You can understand this by taking some example. See, here xi, value of x is 10 and I is smaller than x, value of I is 1. So if a smaller number is written to the right of a greater number, then their values get added. So 10 plus 1 is 11. Okay. Let's see another example. Here, VII. So value of V is 5 and value of I is 1. So 2 times I means 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. V is a greater number and I is a smaller number. Smaller number being at the right of a greater number, the value gets added. So we get 7. Next rule. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value, its value is subtracted from the value of greater symbol. See, in this example, I is on the left of x. So, if a smaller number is at the left of a greater number, then the value get subtracted. X is 10 and I is 1. So, the value is 10 minus 1, which is equal to 9. Here, xc. Value of x is 10 and value of c is 100. So, 100 minus 10, which is 90. Next rule is the symbols V, L and D are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value. That is, V, L and D are never subtracted. The value I can be subtracted from V and X only. The symbol X can be subtracted from L, M and C only. Roman chart. Now you are familiar with these symbols. I is for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500 and M for 1000. In your school, your classroom is also written in Roman numerals. Like if you are in 6th standard, then the symbol outside your classroom is this. V, I. V for 5 and I is 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Now here you can see X is 10 plus 10, 20. X is 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. Now, for 40, you cannot write X 4 times. No, that is wrong. You have seen in my previous slide the rules of Roman numerals. So, we can write it as XL. L is 50 and X is 10. So, 50 minus 10 is 40. Then for 50, you have L. Now, for 60, you can write LX. 50 plus 10 is 60. For 70, you can write LXX. L is 50, X is 10 and X is 10. So 50 plus 10 plus 10 is 70. For 80, you can write LXXX. 50 plus 30 is 80. Now, you cannot write LXXXX 4 times. So, for 90, we can write XC. Value of C is 100 and X is 10. And X being a smaller number written on the left of a greater number, so it is subtracted from the greater number. So, 100 minus 10 is 90. And for 100, you know C. Now 100 plus 100 is 200. So C is 100 plus 100 plus 100, which is 300. Now you know for 500 we have a symbol D. For 600 you can write DC. Value of D is 500 and value of C is 100. So 500 plus 100 is 600. Likewise, you can write all values in Roman numerals. Try to write as many numbers as you can in your notebooks. Let's solve some more problems of Roman numerals. A part is 73. Now 73 can be written as 70 plus 3. Do we have any symbol for 70? No. So can we write 70 as 50 plus 10 plus 10? We have symbol for 50? Yes, L. For 10, X. And again for 10, X. So 70 can be written as LXX. And 3 can be written as 1 plus 1 plus 1, I. Hence, 73 can be written as LXXII. Very simple. Next part. 92. 92 can be written as 90 plus 2. Now, 90 can be written as 100 minus 10. Value of 100 is C and 10 is X. So, 90 becomes XC. When we subtract number, then the value of a smaller digit comes in the left side. So this number becomes XC. 2 can be written as 1 plus 1, II. Hence 92 can be written as XCII. This video is going to help all the teachers and students of class 6. So student, ask questions, try to solve problems, and thank you for watching. Happy learning. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.